Remove TikTok watermark so you can repost your video on YouTube, Instagram, or other social media websites. I am going to quickly show you how to download TikTok videos without the logos, and they will still have the sound, the original sound from the video. This will work if you have already posted your video to TikTok and you have the link or the URL. The first step is to head over to your browser and pull up TikTok. Then click on the video that you want to download. Alright, and you can see the videos have the TikTok watermark flipping from the top left to the bottom right. So just copy the URL, Control C. Now you're going to go to a new page and you want to search for TikTok watermark remover and hit enter. Alright, and either one of the top two results will work fine, SnapTik or SSSTik. I'm going to use SSTik for this, so left click on that. Alright, and then once you're at the site, you just want to Control V or paste in the link to that TikTok video. And then click the download button. This will take a couple of seconds.
2 seconds later.
Now you can download the video without watermark, or the second option is to preview it, or you can download the audio only. I'm going to download the video so I can repurpose it on other social media platforms. So left click without watermark, the top option. Now you can see at the bottom left that it has downloaded. Click on it. Alright, there's no watermarks at the top left and there's no watermarks at the bottom right. So this looks good.